Hello guys, I'm Dakagod and you're watching my channel. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best 50 MB WE TNA game for your Android. Well, this game is very light and it's very awesome. Its graphics are pretty much good. So now I'm going to show you how to play this awesome 50 MB wrestling game. So let's get started. Well, so now first, what you have to do is just to open your browser. And after you need to search TNA Impact DS. Well, so after searching it, you will see that page. Well, at the above, here is the headline of TNA Impact Cross the Line U Roam and DS. So what you have to do is just to click on it for getting this awesome 50 MB wrestling game. Well guys, this is a NDS game, but yeah, you can trust me that this game is so much awesome. So after when you go to this page, scroll down and you will see the download TNA Impact Crossline option. So what you have to do is just to click on it, and after it will be redirect you to the direct downloading page. Here is the direct downloading page, so you need to scroll down for finding the direct download link option. Well, here is the direct download link option, and you can also see that the size of this game is just only 50 MB. So after finding this direct download link, what you have to do is just to click on it, and after your download will be automatically starts. Well guys, this game is in the RAR file, so you need to extract it on your Android device. So I recommend you guys to download and install ZArchiver app from Play Store. Well, this is an app which helps you to extract any RAR or zip files in your Android device. Well, I also give its link in the description, so you don't need to search it on Play Store. When you click on the link, the Play Store will automatically opens and it will show you the app like this. Well, I already installed it, so you need to guys to install this app. And so after installing, what you have to do is just to open this app for extracting the TNA Impact Cross the Line RAR file. So what you have to do is just to find your download path. Here is my download path. So as you can see here the below, here is the TNA Impact Cross the Line. Well, this game is in the zip. So what you have to do is just to click on it, and after you will see these options. So you need to click on the extract to archive name option, as you can see here. So after clicking on it, it will extract this game in your Android device. Well guys, as you can see that the file is already extracted in my Android device because I already extract. So after doing these things, what you have to do is just to need a NDS emulator to play this game. Well, so guys, I recommend you guys to download and install the Drastic emulator. Well, I hope that you guys know that this emulator is so much awesome for running the NDS games. And I hope that you guys also know that this emulator is paid on Play Store. But don't worry guys, I have its hack version, and I also gave its link in the description, so you can download and install its hack version, which is completely free of cost. And yeah, it's a full version of Drastic. Well, this emulator is hacked by the JZKZ. So after downloading and installing this hack version of emulator, what you have to do is just to open the Drastic emulator, and as you can see here that the emulator opens. So what you have to do is just to click on the load new game option. So after clicking on it, it will scan your Android for finding some NDS games. So after let it scanning, so after it will be scanned, it will show you the TNA Impact Cross the Line ROM. So what you have to do is just to click at the below, here is the ROM. So you need to click on it for starting this game, and you will see these options. So click on the start game, and as you can see that the game is starting. Well, as you can see here is the intro. The intro of the game starts. Well, I'm going to skip the intro. So guys, after skip the intro, what you have to do is just to touch the touch screen to begin. And now as you can see that our game starts. So now I'm going to show you my awesome gameplay. Well, there are so much options of exhibition, bound for glory, for all the actions, underline and drama of TN Impact, and for victory road for fighting the championship tournaments. That is very awesome game. Well, this game has full things which is in the wrestling. So that is very awesome thing. So now I'm going to play the exhibition and I'm going to set the rules. So after, you can choose your favorite arenas. There are many arenas. Will I choose Orlando, Florida? So now here is the character selection path. Well, as you can see here that all superstars of TNA is present in this game. As you can see here that there are many superstars like AJ Styles, Hulk Hogan, Kurt Angle and Sting. Many superstars are here. So I choose Sting and my opponent should be Kurt Angle, because Kurt Angle is the toughest superstar in TNA. So now I'm going to play. Well, this game has not their entrances. This game has only their Detriton videos. So I skipped the Detriton videos and now as you can see that the game is started. So now I'm going to play this awesome game. But as you can see, the graphics are so much pretty good and the game engine of this game is so much awesome. As you can see, the style of kicking, moving, throwing and for giving opponent damage. As you can see here that its gaming engine is so much awesome. Here is a submission hold. But as you can see here that its engine is so much awesome. Its grappling style, its strike, its all things are so much pretty good and you will be addicted to this game. Well guys, don't skip my gameplay because after my gameplay will be finished, I will tell you something important. Now I got the finisher and now here is the finisher, the death drop. Now I'm going to take a cover. Here is the cover. 1, 2 and yes, I got him. I win. Yeah. But as you can see that the game is so much awesome. Well guys, now let's go to the important thing. Well, if you don't know how to play this game, so you can go to its tutorial and you can learn all things like basic grappling and submissions, and how to do submissions and counters and finishers, to learn that how to do finishers and how to play the Ultimate X match type and how to play the steel cage matches. So learn these all things and you will be best in this game so you can play it easily. So well guys, so I showed you how to play this 50 MB awesome wrestling game for your Android and I also show you its gameplay. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks and God bless. And if you want to learn from me anything at live, so you can click on my website link. Well, the link of my website is given in the description. So go to my website link and after you can learn from me anything at live, and please stay tuned with my channel. If you want to know about some dates about technology per day and week, and if you want to learn from me anything.